so we know how to transport your belongings without any issue. Our crew of local movers is the greatest, and we're here to help you with your moving preparations around the clock. If you check our reviews, you'll find that our customers are pleased with our service. Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Morton Grove, local and long distance movers near me. With our long distance movers, you get the solutions you require for a much easier move. No matter how far you want to relocate, our skilled team of movers will make it so much easier for you. With us, you receive all the right services, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Choosing to hire a local Illinois moving company might not seem like it's worth the price. A local moving company supplies you all the benefits you need for your move, which can make it well worth the cost. The time savings you get from hiring an Illinois moving company is one of the best decisions that you'll make. You also get to minimize the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. Our experienced movers provide effectiveness with every move, and with a local moving company like 3 Movers, you get a streamlined move. We can easily complete even the largest moves in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Morton Grove moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.